Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So it's time to share the Walgreens must-do deals for next week. I have 7 amazing deals to do. We are going to be getting more Ibotta rebates. I am tracking towards that 30 rebate, get an additional $10 back called the Cash Splash Bonus. So I'm trying to incorporate as many Ibotta rebates as I can. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to take a second and hit that subscribe button. I will be doing a separate video with a couple scenarios using a few of those digital boosters that we got. So I think it was on Monday or Tuesday, I posted on my Instagram that they had like 18 digital boosters available and to clip them fast because they do go fast. A couple days ago, maybe yesterday or today, I also saw in my coupon folder a 10% off of a $35 purchase. So I know a couple of you mentioned that as well. So check your folders now, see if you got this coupon for 10% off a $35 purchase. If you ever get any coupons like that, clip them immediately. You can always unclip them, but you never want to wait until the day of or whatever the case may be, because unfortunately they will disappear on you and then you'll miss out on some amazing savings. Of course, every account is different, so they're not all going to get them, unfortunately. I wish they would, but I will be doing a separate video sharing a bunch of different scenarios for some of those coupons. So I went over a little bit of the order that those will come off in. It depends on the dollar value. The smallest dollar value is going to come off first, and then so on and so forth. So when you're trying to calculate it, if it's 20% off of a $20 purchase, then that's going to take off $4. So just keep that in mind. You got to do a little bit of math to figure out which ones are going to come off first. So let's go ahead and dive into some hot deals for next week. Then I will do a separate video for those boosters. Renuzit Cones. This is the first deal I wanted to share with you, and the deal with an Ibotta rebate. So what you're going to do, they are on sale next week for just 89 cents. And we're getting a buy 4, get 2 free coupon from the 6/21 Retail Me Not. Sometimes we'll get it digital as well, so we'll just have to wait and see on Sunday, see what digitals they go ahead and give us. So what you're going to do is buy 6 of them. They're 89 cents each. When you use that coupon, it'll take off 2 of them. So 89 cents times 2 will come off of that, which is going to be about $1.78. You'll be left to pay $3.56. Then you're going to submit it to Ibotta. There is a cashback offer for $2 back when you buy 5, and we're buying 6. So we'll definitely be able to get that rebate. Make sure you activate it. Then your final cost is $1.56 for all 6, or 26 cents each. If you're new to Ibotta, here is my referral code. You can get it downloaded, put in the referral code. You will get an additional welcome bonus, and we can join the same team so we can earn bonuses together for the monthly bonuses that they offer. If you don't know how to use the Ibotta app, click the link above. It's also listed in every single description box. So if you ever want to watch it later to kind of give yourself a refresher on how to use the app, the link is in every single description box for you guys. So that way you'll know how to use the app, how to get the different rebates, and how to cash out. Laundry detergent. This is on the All or Snuggle. So typically the Snuggle fabric softener is included, the Snuggle dryer sheets, the All liquid, and the All packs. So you can buy one of any of those that I just listed. They should all be on sale next week for $2.99. There is a $1 off one coupon coming in the Smart Source, I believe. Final cost is just $1.99. This is another one we typically get a digital, so that would be amazing. Dixie plate. So this is a big one because this digital that I'm mentioning expires on the 21st. So the only day you can do this deal is on Sunday. There's also going to be a 75 cents off of 2 coupon. So you'll only wind up paying 25 cents more if you're going to Walgreens the rest of the week. With the deal as it is, It's going to be on Dixie plates, bowls, or cups. Yes, you can mix and match, get one of each, whatever you want to do. My store, they're typically $3.99 each for the ones that are included. So you'll grab 2 of those, use that $1 off to digital. It was from a while back. I just still had it and I had never used it. So then you'll pay $2.99, for both, or just $1.49 each. So not a bad deal. Crest Toothpaste, when I was doing the ad preview, it was a little blurry and I didn't notice that you're automatically going to get a $2 register reward. So that is going to make this an amazing freebie. Love sharing some freebies with you guys. So the Crest next week is buy one, get a $2 register reward. There is a $1 off coupon. I'm assuming it's going to be digital. I didn't see it in either of the coupon insert previews that I looked at online. So we'll have to see if we are going to be getting one in the paper. I'm not sure. You'll pay $1.99, get back the $2 register reward, making it completely free, which is so, so exciting. The KitKat, the birthday cake flavor one that you see at the top, it is a new one that they just released, and they're on sale next week for just 75 cents. There is a digital coupon for 88 cents off of 2 that's going to expire next Sunday. So this is going to be the last week that you can use that coupon. Your final cost is going to be just 62 cents each, or I cannot talk tonight. It is Friday and it has been a long week. 62 cents for both, or 31 cents each. That, I would say, is a great price point to go ahead and try something new, and I do love KitKat. Okay, Palmolive. This is on the 20-ounce dish liquid. I went on the website that I usually check for where coupons come from is Southern Savers Coupon Database. You can also look up at coupontom.com. So when I looked it up, I couldn't find anything on the Palmolive coupon that this is mentioning. So I'm not sure why the online previews seem to be different than what is coming in the Walgreens ad preview and in the CVS ad preview. So I checked both and I didn't see anything. So I'm assuming, again, this will be a digital coupon. So Palmolive is on sale next week for $1.99. And when you buy 2, you're going to get back 2,000 points. So the deal would be grabbing 2 of them, using that 50-cent digital coupon. If you go to the Palmolive website, you can just Google Palmolive coupon. The website is like the first one that pops up. You can print a 25-cent off one coupon. Then you're going to pay $3.23, get back 2,000 points, making it $1.23 for both, or 61 cents each, which is absolutely amazing. Typically, we'll get those little 10-ounce ones for like 99 cents, and this is the 20-ounce for even cheaper. So I would definitely recommend doing this deal. L'Oreal Cosmetics is going to give us a register reward for next week. So they're buy 2, get a $5 register reward. And it just says L'Oreal Cosmetics. So it doesn't say anything in particular, but it also doesn't say any L'Oreal Cosmetics. So little tricky. We'll have to see what pops up on Sunday when we go through the website, or see what is tagged in store. The cheapest thing that I found that the $2 L'Oreal Paris Eye digital coupon will attach to is the single eyeshadow. So they are showing $5.99 each. Then on coupons.com right now, so stop what you're doing right now, go to coupons.com in a separate browser and print this coupon. It is going to make it a moneymaker at CVS, and it's going to make it a great deal at Walgreens. So with both of those coupons, you'll pay $7.98, get back a $5 register reward, making your final cost $2.98 for both, or just $1.49 each. So that is the last of the deals that I have for you guys for next week. Definitely some hot savings. I did a second CVS haul today as well with a ton of freebies, and I did it based on using a new account. Went with my mom, used her account. I haven't used hers with her in quite a while, so I haven't had that many CRTs, and I only brought a $2 extra buck with us to go ahead and start rolling. So I did that video for you guys to show you how, even if you only started couponing a week ago or 2 weeks ago and you only have a $2 extra buck to get started, you can turn that into more and more extra bucks doing some moneymaker deals and paying a low out of pocket. So if you haven't checked out that video, click this video in the top left. Stay tuned for the booster deals video. I will try to have it out tonight. If not, it will be out tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.